Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make hot fudge. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, and 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Don't forget a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a medium saucepan with a whisk. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's start cooking. In your medium saucepan, combine the 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Whisk these ingredients together constantly over medium heat. Keep whisking until the mixture just begins to simmer gently. Then, add the 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, stirring until it is completely melted and smoothly incorporated into the fudge. Once the butter is fully melted, reduce the heat to low. Allow the fudge to simmer gently for about 5 to 7 minutes. During this time, stir it occasionally to prevent any sticking to the bottom of the pan and to ensure even cooking. You will notice the fudge gradually thickening into a beautiful, rich, and pourable consistency, perfect for drizzling over your favorite treats. Finally, remove the hot fudge from the heat. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that perfect finishing touch. Your delicious hot fudge is now ready to be served warm over ice cream, brownies, or any dessert you desire. If you have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.